Hey guys, how are you all doing? So, as you have already seen in the title and thumbnail of this video is going to be about how you could get video editing clients for your agency or even if you are working as a freelancer. I am making this video based out of my personal experiences, so I make sure that this video is going to be really beneficial and helpful for you all. Make sure you watch it till the end. Guys, when I talk about beginner, I actually mean that you have a little basic knowledge of video editing. Like, not at the level of expertise, but at least a little basic knowledge. Maybe you are already a fan page editor, maybe you are already an anime editor, maybe you post on Instagram stories, or maybe you post on Facebook stories. You do not need to be an expertise for where I am talking about. I don't want you to lose the hope even if you are a complete beginner, like starting from the baseline, starting from the scratch, starting from zero. It's okay, it's fine. What I would suggest you is to learn this skill because YouTube video editing is such a hard skill, and it's such a hard skill that it could make you reach to the level of 10k per month mark easily and in the quickest way possible because demand for video editors are increasing. More the content creators are increasing, more the demand of video editors are increasing. So you have a lot of scope in this field at least. I personally believe that this is the easiest skill to learn right now, and you could learn it from YouTube search bar itself. I do not recommend you buying paid courses because they will waste you a lot of money. Instead, just go on YouTube, search for video editing course, and they will provide you a lot of free courses which will provide you same or even sometimes more value than a paid courses. Following you to the actual path, I would recommend you creating an Upwork platform as a freelancer. If you ask me why Upwork only, because Upwork is the topmost platform where all types of business owners find all types of different services there. So there are chances you will find a lot of potential clients there. Simply you have to create your Upwork profile as a freelancer. If you want, I could actually guide you to creating a Upwork freelancer account. Just feel free to comment me down in the comment section. I could bring a whole new next video regarding this topic. The another thing that I want to tell you is please don't skyrocket your hopes in the first video because you are not going to get paid a higher amount in the very first video. The reason because you are a complete beginner, and the other reason is even if you charge like high amount to the client and you did not deliver the project as per their expectations, they could give you a bad review which will not good for you, which will harm your Upwork profile. And maintaining an Upwork profile is another important thing that you need to take in mind. Maintaining a good Upwork account and maintaining good reviews is so important for you, so make sure you don't charge too much high. Like for the first timers, $10 to $15 is a good amount, like for the first time. Second time you can definitely level up, and the third time and fourth and so on. But for the first time, $10 to $15 is good. Not to say, but a lot more clients prefer to pay you more amount as what I am saying. But for a beginner who has just started, most of them prefer to pay $10 to $15. And guys, once you have delivered the project on time and once you have fulfilled the expectations of your clients, please do not forget to get the reviews on your Upwork account because this is something that will help you get the next client. I know when you are a beginner, it is so easy for you to build self-limiting beliefs. So in that case, I just want to tell you that I do have another YouTube channel, and for that YouTube channel, I was required a YouTube video editor. So I similarly went on Upwork as a client and searched for video editors. I found a person there who was anime editors, and he had not much experience about the editing field. You could say he was a beginner. He used to have his own YouTube channel where he used to upload anime edits on YouTube. I told him my requirements and he showed me the sample videos of his anime edits, and I hired him. What I saw in him was that he had the skills that was required for me for a perfect YouTube video. So I hired him. The amount that I hired him was less, like it was around I guess $15, but I was so much satisfied with his work, and and I gave him a good review. So it became easy for him to get another clients. That is the same thing that I want you to do as well in order to get clients. Trust me, it is one of the easiest process you could do. So if you like the video, please let me know about it in the comment section. And thank you. Guys, it's crazy. This little YouTube video, like, I know this is not going to be exceed more than 5 minutes. It took me whole more than 2 hours to be made. Like, my god, I'm sitting at the same place for the last 2 hours. It's crazy, but my work is still in progress. So goodbye.